Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can split and merge PDF files. This is the PDF file. I want to take the first page of this one and also the first chapter. I note that the first chapter here starts from page number 24 and ends at page number 54. Now I need this app. So this app says, do you want to extract one page or a range of pages? Give here one, click on extract, and it says PDF extracted. Okay. Here I will rename this one to Pro 1, and if you double click on this one, you will see the first page of that book extracted here. Now open this app once again, and this time we will extract a range of pages starting from page number 24 to page number 54. Extract. Okay, the new PDF is also extracted. We rename this one to Pro 2. Open. Okay, this one is the first one, the first PDF extracted. This was a single page extraction. And this is the PDF in which we extracted a range of pages. This is the first chapter. This is a 31 page PDF. Now I want to merge these two PDFs together. For this, we take these two PDFs and paste it to a new folder. Now we take the path of this one. Okay. And then we open another app. This is called the PDF merger app. Double click on this one. It says this app helps you to merge all your PDF files. Enter path. Here we will enter that path and now click merge. It says PDF merged successfully. Okay. So now you have this out PDF. If you double click on this one, it is a 32 page PDF containing the first page, the cover page of that book, and the first chapter. So this way you can merge and split PDF files for distribution or any other purpose you need. So this is the end of this video. I wanted to show you how you can split PDF files and also how you can merge PDF files. If you like this, video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos on this. Thank you.